Hey everybody, Bill from Broken Motorsports Bleeding Tarmac here. Just want to let you in on a little secret. We've been working hard on getting a much better product out to you guys, and that is our roll cage rally kits. Basically, we've gone and we've 3D scanned our GC, GD, and Fiesta lineup and have designed new version 2 kits for those models in CAD. This allows for much tighter, better fitting cages, allows for more occupant space inside as well, and it means better production for you guys. So before, our cages were only about 80% notched. Now you're getting a 100% laser notched tube, as well as CNC mandrel bent tubes and CNC press brake bent boxes and gussets to basically complement the whole package. So now it's a direct drop in, 100% ready to go. There's no cleaning, there's no prepping, there's no cutting and notching of tubes to make everything fit. Everything is basically shipped to you on one pallet, cleanly and nicely, and basically ready for you to go. So with that, we're gonna announce a sale for this Friday, Black Friday, and we're gonna offer free shipping for all of our cage kits, GC, GD, and Fiesta. Stay tuned. Unfortunately, we don't have them available for this Friday, but we do have many other models coming for your rally car or your full on-spec race car. And watch us on bleedingtarmac.com. You can also order your cage at bleedingtarmac.com. Feel free to check out the rest of the website for other race needs you may need. But Black Friday, free shipping, GC, GD, Fiesta cages. Check it out, bleedingtarmac.com.